What the? Whoa! Oh, this is ridiculous sharp, and I made it with just one stone. This tiny neck knife is made by Bulgarian maker called Kapo. It has good Kydex sheet. It's D2 steel, 61 HRC with cryo, and this paracord piece make the handle comfortable, and yeah, this is good grip. This paracord is adjustable. You can make it comfortable to your neck. Most of people think sharpening requires multiple stones, mirror polishing, and complicated progressions. But outdoors we usually don't have that luxury. That's why I believe a medium grit core stone like this one is maybe one of the best real-world sharpening setup. This is Poltava Premium CBN Bronze stone, 550 grit, 40/28. It's aggressive enough to remove microchipping in the edge if there is half microchipping, and it's aggressive enough to cut very fast, but it's still refined enough to create a very effective working edge. Because mirror edge looks impressive, but aggressive edge gets the work done. As always, market the edge to find the factory angle. And this 90.1. Yeah, the bevels are even on both sides, so we can start working. On this stage I will not cut for editing or something, so you can see how fast it works, and you can see the knife don't cut. So I can start working. I already have some burr, but it's not everywhere, so I continue. It's not comfortable for me because the phone is right in front of my face, and I can't see very well, but it is what it is. I hope you can see. Oh yeah. So now I need to remove the burr. Okay. Now I'll increase the angle with 0.3. So it was 90.1, now it's 90.4. And continue gentle to remove the burr. And guys, I want to tell you, if I don't filming and the setup is not in front of me, this will be, I think, a little bit faster. But anyway, I think I'm done. Let me check. Yes. Yes. Ready. You can see the paper towel freely in my hand. Let me move everything here and I will show you how the knife cut. Okay guys, let's check with paper towel. And this is where the aggressive edge start to shine. I think you can see this edge is really razor sharp. Let's check it with glossy paper. Ooh, I like it. Yes. It's cut very well, guys. Yes. This is perfect working edge, guys. I like it. Regular paper. Oh yes. Finally. Okay, this edge is perfect working edge, guys. You can see it's cut perfect. Sometimes we don't need a lot of stones and complicated sharpening setups. Sometimes all we really need is one good stone.